Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Plaza. Today we are going to discussing about SQL select queries using real-world e-commerce scenarios. Okay, so in this video we are going to look into about SQL statement in SQL. We'll explain you with the real-time examples. Okay, let's go through that video. For e-commerce, I have taken an example as Flipkart. Okay, see, here we are doing daily basis shoppings and all. So hope everybody knows about the Flipkart, right? So today on this Flipkart only, I'm going to teach you the select query by showing it as an example. Okay, so assume I'm going to fashion and all I'm selecting. Okay, it's in selecting. Okay, keep in mind that today I'm going to be discussing about select query. Okay, here whatever is there, I'm going to select from where? From the Flipkart, right? So that's called usage of select. I hope you know about the select query basic. Whoever know starting the SQL journey, they should know about starting a select only. Okay, so select means anything in real world example means you will select. Like if you are going to shopping mall, you will select something, whatever you want. You want a shirt, you will select. You want a fruit, you will select. Like that only here also. So when you are doing online shopping, you have to select one product with your preferences. So with that only, I'm going to explain you the select query. Okay. So assume today I'm going to buy a shirt or some fashion products I'm going to purchase in the Flipkart. Okay, right? So that here so many things are there that Flipkart. So as of main, I'm a male. So that's why I have selected the men. And here the different things came that some less price, some high price, different things are there. So same like this only, we have to write a query. Whenever you are selecting through front end, back end one query will be executed in DB level. That whatever the result came, that will be posted to front end like this. So it will be listed out there like this. As we see in the Flipkart portal, so here some of the data is there with me, like Flipkart products, one table is there. Okay, as I told you, whenever you are triggering front end when you are selecting a product, so about that product and specifications, when you are selecting something, anything you are selecting, so backend one query will be executed. So from database, the data will be fetched and it will show you in front end, right? So that here I am having Flipkart products that here different two different categories I have taken, fashion and accessories. Okay, here price and the stock and whatever the gender it will be suitable and the product name, everything is there. Okay, so that like this data will be segregated. Okay, product ID. So many tables will be there. So here one single table I am taking and I am explaining you the basic select query. Okay, so later I will explain you the joins. So more advanced things using select query. So window operations and now I will explain you. Now basic select query in this video I am going to explain. Okay. So that here I am having Flipkart products, right? So here what I have selected in Flipkart shopping portal, what I have selected fashion. So here I have selected the fashion. No, here dresses and shirts, pants, trousers, different things will be there, right? So like that only. So when I click the fashion, so all I have selected. So that here I'm going to do that only. So select star from Flipkart products where category equal to what is it? Fashion, right? See here only fashion data came. So around what is the count of rows? 19. Earlier it may be how many is there? 30. Right? So that here I have selected only fashion category. Okay. And here after one filter I have given there that men. See here I have given filters that men, right? So I'm selecting the dresses of men only, right? So that condition, filter condition I have to add. Filter condition is and gender, right? Gender equal to male. Okay, there men is there, here male I have given. Anyway, same thing will come here. So when I selected the male, so total how many rows came? 8 rows came. Okay, so that entire. So when you want to select fashion and all products, only men products means. So I'm in this table. So 8 data came. that different means trousers, sleeves, different brand wise shorts, something entire things came, short dresses, something. So as per price it came. So how much stock is there, what the gender, everything came is in this query, right? Same like that, we will check. No, see, we want every time we want to buy from less price only, right? So here price 279, 399, again 279, something else is there. Okay, I want to check the this list from the low to high, right? When I click on this tab, price low to high, right? So I have clicked on this active tab. Price low to high means it is starting from 99 rupees. See here, 99 rupees onwards it started. It will be in serial, right? 99, 99. And I am going to next. Again, it's coming from 99, 90 rupees, something. So it's from low to high, it went, right? So same like that, we have to fetch here also. Here we are writing a query that order by price. This order by already I have made one video. You can able to check my playlist, Oracle playlist. So there you will get this. Okay, price ASC. Okay, it has to start from 0 to 100, means high value, right? So ASC, see here, 50, 55, 40. Sorry, showing stock. See price 1199, 1299, 1488, 1488, like that from low to high. So like this only in Flipkart portal also it has shown when you are clicking on price low to high. Same like that only. If I want price high to low means I'm clicking price high to low. That's it. So if I'm going to query level, see price DESC. That's it. So order by price DESC. So from high to low it came. Right now, same like that. What are the portal it came? See 3799 onwards it started. So like that only in our query also give a result. This query will be go to Flipkart front end. So there it will display the data by use display the shirts and whatever the fashion things you are checking using this data in background. Sometimes more filters we will use that price range, right? So 3799 is more for me. So that price range I will decreasing to, see here. So price range I am going to give to around below 500. So below 500 whatever it is there, and the price will be high to low, right? So this has to reflect means how we have to change query means. So gender male and price. See, for our easiness purpose, I'm segregating the query. Okay, so that and so price less than or equal to 500. Right now, so that see no data is there here. So assume less than or equal to 1500. Okay, so here I'm not having data. That's why I'm showing 1500 example. Okay, below only 1500 is my budget. So that see here. So 4 rows only came. Like this, you can able to utilize the self query. Same like now whatever we did in Flipkart side, same backend is the query like this only. It will be fire. So whatever the result it came, it will show in front end, right? So thank you guys. Thank you for the watching video. So in future videos, I will explain you about the joins, different types of joins, what the usage of the joins. Okay, what are the things you can do with the self queries, everything. Thanks for the watching video, guys. Yeah, have a good day. Bye.